Hi guys, I'm Ibraheem Babatunde, your Microsoft Excel guru. In this video, we are going to learn a lot of things, but majorly we are going to make use of some ifs, okay, and another important Microsoft Excel function, which is not popular among Microsoft Excel users. Okay, and what is this function? Is referred to as a database sum, because there are some conditional sum in which some ifs cannot handle except you blend it with another formula. But the sum is a very concise and accurate Microsoft Excel function, which I would like my followers to pay attention to and make use of it in their subsequent assignment. Okay, apart from this, we also let you know how to remove duplicate from data so as to have unique data. Okay, and so subsequently I'm going to make use of a data validation, so that if at all you don't know how to use data validation before, in this video you are going to also learn that, which is a very important aspect of Excel if you want to customize your Excel, or you have a particular set of the list in which you want to be in a particular cell. Then let watch the video carefully so that we can master all this effectively. Okay, let me show this question to you. This is my first question. Okay, they say that what is the sum of salary of full-time contract staff? Okay, what is the sum of salary of full-time contract staff? Okay, to do this now, there are many formulas that you can use to achieve this objective. It depends on how effective you are in handling the Excel. Okay, let me start from this formula. Sumifs, because I have two conditions here, and my sum field is salary, and I have two conditions, that is full-time and contract staff. Okay, let me use sum if so that you will see the definitions of this Excel function. Is equal to sum ifs. What is my sum range? My sum range is the field in which I want to sum from. Control Shift down arrow to copy to highlight everything. Okay, comma. What is my criteria range? My criteria range 1 is status. Let's see status. Okay, Control Shift down, status, then comma. Okay, what is my criteria? Okay, for my criteria range is, the first one is what? Full time. I need full time. Okay, full time. Let me quote it because it's strange. Full time. Full time. Okay, close it. What is the second criteria range? Go to command, go to second criteria range, same thing. Okay, command. Then what is my criteria? The second criteria here is that it must be contract. Okay, contract staff, contract, then close your parentheses. Okay, that's all. End your parentheses, end it, or close it, then press enter. Okay, I have nothing. It gives me nothing. Can you see it? It means that sum-ifs cannot handle two criteria. Okay, two criteria which are in the same field. Okay, this is what we refer to as field. This status, this column is a field, and have different value there. All these full-time, half-time, contract, hourly, they are value. Okay, you cannot it cannot handle two values at the same time. The only thing it can do is maybe you want to look at what is it called? You want to look at another one here, like maybe the year that is greater than 22 years, okay, full time, okay, which I've spent more than 22 years with us. Then it will be very possible you can use that. Okay, it will work. It will work. Okay, you can let me try that. Let me try it. Let me edit my formula. Okay, here now another criteria range. Let me use this. Okay, let me use west. Let me use west. Control shift down. Okay, command. That is my criteria range. What is the criteria? My criteria here is west. West is also a string. I have to quote it west, then close it, then enter. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, I have 3,161,228. It works fine here. This means that is the summation of the people, okay, who come from west and also a full-time workers. Okay, this is the sum of their salary. Okay, then some ifs can handle this. I believe that you have understood now. Okay, let now solve this deficiency. Okay, that some ifs cannot solve two values in a single field. Okay, how are we going to do this? Okay, to solve this now, okay, what should I do? This is what I will simply do. Okay, let me delete this. I don't need it again. Okay, right, equal to, okay, then include sum to it, sum. Okay, create sum, then embed it with some ifs. Okay, then what is my sum range? My sum range is the same thing as my salary range. That is where I want to get my value from. Okay, control shift down arrow. Okay, comma, then criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 means that this is it from here. Add the status. Okay, what is my criteria? Here now I have two criteria that I want to use here, that is full-time and contract staff. Full-time and contract staff. Then you have to introduce, firstly put comma here, then you will introduce coiling bracket, put coiling bracket, then write your full-time, put it, don't forget to put it inside the invited command or quotation, so that it's a string. Whenever you are using string, you have to quote it so that Excel will understand it, comma. Second one, that is contract, then do the same thing, contract, also end the quotation. Okay, then end your coiling bracket. Okay, then you can now close the parentheses and click enter. Okay, it's me another bracket. Okay, that is 33,475,162. Can you see? That's fine. Okay, there's another formula that you can use to also get this if you want to, if you don't want to use sum with some ifs, and this formula is sum product. You can use sum product to achieve the same thing. Let's try and see it. It's equal to sum product. Okay, double click it. My array is where I want to get my data from. Okay, command. Okay, then what are the conditions that I need and the field here? Now open your parentheses. Okay, I will need full time, right? Full time in quotation, full time, and your quotation is equal to then your range, criteria range. Control shift up, then okay, close your parentheses here, plus, because there are two things that I want to look here, you will now add it, plus. Okay, still open your parentheses, another parenthesis. Then the second criteria is contract is equal to, okay, the same thing with this. Control shift down. Okay, close it, then enter. Okay, can you see that we got the same thing? Look at the formula. Okay, we got the same thing. Then to look at this formula, you can write this is equal to formula text, or text formula. Is it? Okay, formula text. Then make reference to this, enter. Okay, I've seen it. Let me copy this, Control C, Control V. Okay, these are my formulas. These are the formula I use. You can look at it. Okay, can you see it? Great. Then another formula that I can still use to get this is referred to as dsum. But before I use this dsum, okay, I would like to print where my criterion what is it called, my criterion column, which is status. Okay, just write that status, write it. Then I need two things here. I need full time under it and contract under it. But before I go to that, then let me do some things, because I want to use data validation. Control C, let me paste it here, Control V. Okay, escape this, Control V. Then go to data. I want to remove the duplicate. Go to data. Okay, here now, this is where you will remove your duplicate. Okay, continue with the current selection, expand it, remove duplicate. Sorry, onto search. Let me redo it. Sorry. Continue with the current selection. Okay. Okay, this is what I have now. Correct. I did not pick that one. That is why it's giving me this. Okay, you can let me delete this. Okay, it means that I have employment status, half time, contract, hourly, and full time. And you know that I have more than 740 rows. Okay, it will not possible for me to be looking at it one after the other to know, except you do tally that we did when we were in secondary school or in high school. Okay, from here now it will be very easier for me, okay, to now validate this. Let me go to data validation, the same thing under the data, then come here, data validation. Click on data validation. Then it's not any file, I want list. Then click on list. Okay, what is the source? Okay, you can write it manually, but I don't want to write it manually. Okay, so that it will not waste my time. Let me click on this. Okay, put okay. Yeah, correct. Everything will be here now. Okay, half time, contract, hourly, and full time. Okay, I can copy this now to second to the below row. Control C, Control V. Okay, I have the same thing. Okay, then here now let me choose contract. Here let me choose full time. It's not compulsory that you do all this whenever you want to do something like this. I'm just doing it so as to improve your Microsoft Excel knowledge on how to remove duplicate and also how to use data validation. Here, why we say data validation, you cannot write anything apart from this here. Now let me write Excel. Either it will accept it, Excel, enter. It will never accept it. That is what we refer to as data validation. Okay, cancel. It can only show this. Now the third formula I said I want to use the third functions that I said I will use to achieve the same result is called dsum. Okay, let's now write it is equal to dsum. Okay, double click it. What is my database? My database are all this. Control Shift right arrow down arrow. Okay, that is my database. Command. Then what is my field? My field is the column in which I want my summation to come from. Okay, and that is salary. Okay, you will just quote salary. It's a string. Salary column. Then comma. What is my criteria? Then I will now go up. To where I do my data validation. These are my criteria. Then you will quote it from this status. Don't forget to include this status. Okay, then click enter. Can you see the three methods gives us the same result? Can you see it? Let me also copy this formula so that you can see it whenever you want to use it. Okay, Control V. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, if you don't want to type salary, okay, you can count the number of the column in which the salary belongs to, and you will still get the same result. Let's do it. Is equal to this sum. Okay, this sum. What is my database? Is my database Control Shift here down. Okay, comma, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That is column 9. Just write 9. Okay, then the last criteria, then you will now go up. Let's go up and select it. Okay, select everything. Okay, from status heading, then enter. I will not get the same. We got the same thing. Okay, let me also copy this. Control C, Control V. Sorry, what did you see? What happened here? Okay, I copied the source formula. Sorry, I'm supposed to copy this. Control C, Control V. Okay, escape. Can you see it? Each of them gives me the same result. I think that we have learned another important Microsoft Excel function in this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please endeavor to do so that whenever we upload a new video, you can easily get a notification. You can get a notification, and also you can go to my previous videos and watch them. There are many very almost all of them are very interesting video which you will learn two or more things there. Okay, I'm still remain your humble guy, Ibraheem Babatunde, Microsoft Excel Group. Use Excel and be Excel. Bye.